Hi, welcome to H&S Boulevard Walk. An amazing property located in Great Noida West gives you a fantastic experience of modern lifestyle and business. The spirit behind these masterpieces is Chairperson Mrs. Sakshi Katyal and the visionary Mr. Hani Katyal. And what truly crafts the soul of this establishment are its bedrock values. And behind this fantastic property is the prestigious and renowned Binoy Group, known for their extraordinary work in architecture and master planning. Their work speaks volumes, elevating the property to new heights of its excellence. Binoy Group stands as a symbol of architectural workmanship, and its touch on Boulevard Walk is a testament to the fusion of art and functionality. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to explore this masterpiece located on a 400 feet wide road that connects Delhi, Ghaziabad, Noida and Pari Chowk, Great Noida. Now let's zoom into the heart of this property. This integrated mixed-use development spans across 5 acres of space, featuring a whopping 1.6 million square feet of space. It's not just a property, it's a lifestyle that is located in the heart of Great Noida West.
So the vision was to give the best gift to the city. It was the best place जहाँ पर we as Human Soul want to create a history. So इस जगह पर what we are doing is we are doing one beautiful 5-star hotel, one of the best office tower of that city, like the number one, the tallest one, best retail, and not only best retail with interior designing, but the best brands, which is like coming for the first time, all international, most luxurious. This is the most densely populated city in Asia. We know what we can do with that population because sometimes, you don't have a level playing field. So now what we're doing is, and the location is unbeatable because we are on 130-meter road. We have both side roads, NH24 proximity, 150-meter proximity. It's on a junction where the 3 cities are kind of a sandwich, Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad milta hai. So we know the potential, and after all these study, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात क्या आती है जहां पर आप एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक प्रोडक्ट बनाएं, एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट जो अगर 6 साल पहले 5 साल पहले अगर डिजाइन हुआ बनना शुरू हुआ तो सम टाइम थिंग्स गेट ऑब्सोलीट विद टाइम, विद द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी. दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट which is still future proof. It is like ahead of times, which nobody can even foresee, like multi-level car park. We are doing 1800 car park, which is impossible for such a small product. The wavelength of doing hotel banqueting of 18-20,000 square feet banqueting, it is ahead time. Still, even after 6-7 years of this design, no one around us.
Boulevard Walk is here to set new standards in commercial property development. Premium clothing brands, the kids play area, entertainment zone, a gold standard 7-screen multiplex, a food court, NCR's absolute best cafes and lounges. It uniquely boasts 1,800 car parking spaces spread across 2 basement and 5-floor multi-level parking. Coming up to the 14th floor, here's a glimpse of our premium and plush office spaces with spacious interiors and immaculate views. Surrounded by over 2,800 acres of residential development within 6 kilometers, Boulevard Walk is strategically located near 7 kilometers from Noida city centre and 2.5 kilometers from NH24. H&S Boulevard Walk, where enterprise meets entertainment, convenience meets luxury, and life meets standards.
So home and soul, the name itself says home with a soul. So rarely you find certain things where people do it with a sattvic behavior. The DNA, the thought process is so pure that, you put your heart and soul in designing it. You have that expertise, you have that knowledge, you're great with architecture, you're great with ideas, you know how to do execution, you are a great customer-oriented professional. So everything with a mix, we say that we are a great company with great thought, smart people, and who want to serve the nation with great infrastructure, great product. And not only that, we always have this idea that why not to do something different with every product where nobody can beat me in my strength. Means every product has something extra which maybe that city is missing or anyone around my competition doesn't do or match around me. So at Boulevard Walk, we give this city the luxury it desires for.